Hi guys, I will be showing you guys how to draw a dog collar. So let's get started. I prefer construction paper, and then I just cut it out because I have really big construction paper, this big. Okay, so I cut out a small piece. Okay, so as you guys know, dogs have round necks, so you guys want to make it's kind of like a sphere, circle, like that. And then you draw a smaller one in the inside. Okay, so then you're gonna draw right there. That's the clip. There, you can see. And this is the ring right here that you clip the leash on. Then I'm going to be drawing a spiky collar, so any kind of color you guys like. So I'm going to draw one spike. They're kind of like fireballs. You guys can see that. And then I drew my spikes. And that's how you draw a dog collar. A simple dog collar at least.